Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased that you are taking part in the matchmaking event. What you wear is not important for this activity. Nevertheless, we would like to give you a few tips and instructions that may be helpful to know before the event. Matchmaking is like speed dating, with a dedicated time to get to know each other after you finish circulating. Is 1 minute enough for a presentation? Yes, it is. Introduce yourself and your organization and explain what type of partner you're looking for. Be short and precise. You'll have time to discuss the details later. Focus on the basic information about your organization, work, or project idea. Clearly state the type of partner you're looking for and highlight only the most important points. Think about what you can offer. In addition to describing your organization, mention what you can bring to a potential collaboration. Pay attention to the keywords that match your interests. Make note of any complementary skills or areas in which you can provide support. Don't be afraid to ask questions or request contact information. And that's it. Now you're ready for the matchmaking.